Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why don't you check out a few more videos. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything else that I have going on. What we got going on today is a simple, easy pickling egg recipe. Whenever you, like me, whenever you have chickens and they're spitting out 4 to 5 eggs a day, there's only so much eggs that you can eat. And you know, there's only so much eggs that your neighbors can eat, or you know, stuff like that. So you try to find a way to start preserving some of your eggs, and pickling your eggs is a good way to preserve eggs. So I'm gonna point you down to what I got going on, and I'll show you what I do to pickle my eggs. Alright, so I've got 2 dozen hard-boiled eggs. I've done a video on how I hard boil my fresh yard eggs. A little R card will pop up at the top. That is a video on how to hard boil fresh yard eggs. You're going to need some distilled vinegar. I use distilled vinegar. 2 cans of beets for the beet juice. A half a cup of sugar. I've got some jalapenos, some sliced onion, and I get some of the mixed pickling spices. Just give a little bit of spice to it. So what I got is in my pan here. This is a big pan, but it was the only stainless steel pan that I got. But in this pan, I've got the juice out of each of these cans. It comes out to about 3/4 of a cup of juice from each can. I've got 1 cup of the white distilled vinegar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this half a cup of sugar to the mixture, and I'm going to bring this to a boil. Now while we're waiting on this to come to a boil, we're going to start preparing our jars. I already got some eggs in the jars, but what we're going to do is we're going to add some of these jalapenos and some of the onions in there, and then add some more eggs, and then maybe put some onions on the top. Also, we're going to add a couple of slices of these beets in there. Why not? Just going to take this beet, slice this beet up into little slices, throw that down in there. Then we'll put some more eggs in here. Then we'll put a couple of onions on the top. Now, once you bring this to a boil, you want to turn it down to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Now, I'll take my little pickling spices and add a little bit of this to each jar. Now after you're done, let it simmer for about 15 minutes. You want to pour them on into your eggs. Put the lid on them. Set them over and let them cool. Once they cool down enough, you can put them in the refrigerator. Put them in the refrigerator for about 7 to 10 days before you go to eating on the eggs. Alright, so there you go. That is that's the pickled egg recipe. Super simple. I love it. They taste great. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wait 8 or 9, 10 days to break into those pickled eggs. But yeah, gotta love them. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would have done anything different, leave it down in the comments below. Let's talk about it. And in 10 days, we'll try those eggs out. Alright guys, well, I gotta get back to work on my porch. I'm on the back porch, and I gotta get to work on the old spouse's laboratory. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.